show you guys how to make a water tornado. First, I'm gonna just put my camera. And just see. So I'm gonna put the. So see, it's not getting mixed. So you have to do 1, 2. Still no, right? Again. 1, 2. See it? Yeah, 1, 2. Then keep going. 1, 2. You see it, right? Again, 1, 2. Oh, how am I making a little water tornado? Yeah, guys. 1, 2. Shake it twice. 1, 2. 1, 2. No. But again, 1, 2. You see a little bit, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see one. Right there, right? Oh. Tornado again. 1, 2. Oh, so lucky. Oh. See it? Yeah. So that's how you make a water tornado. You gotta shake it twice and lots of times.